Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 8 trades. Today's date is December the 11th and I'm using my new Easy Scalper trading system. This system uses two excellent scalping indicators. The first one, of course, is the Easy Scalper. That's this moving average that changes from blue to red, and also the arrows, which is called the super signal indicator. They'll both, if you have the alerts turned on, they'll both give an audio sound and a pop-up box like you see right here, suggesting to either buy or sell. Now every morning, 6 o'clock, at least I try to get in front of the computer, taking a look at all the different instruments and looking at my daily trade plan. And of course, once the daily trade plan gives me a possible trade suggestion, I will manually put in this white arrow, either for buying and or selling. Now here is my daily trade plan. It's an expert advisor. It's running in real time. And as you can see, lots of trade suggestions here. Of course, after you look at this, you still have to go and look at the charts and see what the charts, how they look. Now, if you have any questions on this daily trade plan, well, all you got to do is just get in contact with me. Now, most of these trades I sold except for the two down at the bottom here, which I bought. So now we can get into these trades. So euro dollar, I sold it. Let's see where I got in at. So the daily trade plan was suggesting to sell. Scalper was red, super signal arrow. So easy decision to make. So I took the trade. Now you just have to wait. It's a waiting game. Now this is the point where I close it out, as I was generally overall happy with the totals down at the bottom. And once I know I have at least 200 pips and or ticks, I just close out the trades and I'm done trading for the day. Now, euro dollar does pay $10 for each pip. So looking at the money, this should be 7 pips, and that paid out $70. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, which is dollar CAD. This one I wanted to be selling. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. The scalper was red. Super signal, red arrow. So let's see where I got in at. Pull the trigger here, and of course close it out at this point, being happy with 11 pips, and those 11 pips paid out $88. Okay, moving on to the next trade. Pound dollar, like the euro dollar, pays $10 for each pip. So looking at the money, this should be 14 pips, so pound dollar. Let's run a check on it, drag and drop this up. Another one I wanted to be selling. Actually, it was based on the rules, the way I teach how to trade pullbacks. It's another way of trading. So, wanted to be selling it, just going back to the goal line, and when I hit the goal line, I just closed out the trade and locking in those, what did I say, 14 pips. There it is right there, 14, and that paid out $140. Moving on to the next trade, euro CAD. Okay, let's see where I got in at. So there's the arrow from the daily trade plan. Super signal red arrow. When I pulled the trigger right on this red candle, and I closed it out as it was bouncing around this ADR here, locking in, looks like 29 pips, and those pips paid out $221. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, which is the pound CAD. Another one I wanted to be selling. So another one also was a pullback trade. Pull back to the goal line, and many times it'll break through and keep going down to an area of support. So here we go. Scalper was turning red. Super signal was right there when I was pulling the trigger. I actually turned red when price action was right here, that red arrow. And I closed it out at this cursor, locking in around 35 pips, and those pips paid out $265. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is gold. Now on gold, it pays $10 for each tick. The rest of these trades, they're all ticks. So it's 497, as you can see the money. So it's 49.7. Probably just rounded up to 50. Be close enough. So let's drag and drop this up. See where I got in at. Did qualify for a great way to trade. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. Super signal arrow. Scalper was red. Easy decision to make. Sell. If I was in the trade right now, I'd be up over 100, 111. And what did I say? 49.7 it should be. I said I was going to just round it off to 50. Close enough. And those 50 ticks paid $497. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the DAX 30. Now the DAX 30 pays $3.75 for each tick. Now I dropped it down to the 5 minutes to try to get an accurate reading. Took the money, divided by 3.75, and that calculator says it's approximately 190. So let's drag and drop this up. So I wanted to be buying it. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. Super signal, arrow blue, scalper blue. So I took the trade here. Went up, went down. That's just the way the market moves. And what did I say? 190. So I closed it out at this cursor. There it is right there. Managed to get it right on. 190 ticks, paying out $712. So moving on to the last trade, which happens to be the NASDAQ. This one pays $20 for each tick. So wanted to be buying it. Everything was looking good for buying. Let's see where I got in at. Indicators on the top and the bottom, all suggesting arrow from the super signal. So let's see now. Took the trade at this cursor. Now I took the money and divided it by 20 as it pays $20 for each tick. Calculator says it should be 76. So let's go and see if we can find that 76. There it is right there. You remove the last two digits, so it's 76 ticks, and that paid out $1,524. So another great day of trading using my easy scalper trading system. I added up all the pips and the ticks. I knew it was going to be well over 200. So grand total came to 412 pips and ticks, and all of those pips and ticks paid out $3,518. So if your system's not producing, like my easy scalper, well, I recommend you get your hands on it. And don't forget about the daily trade plan. Now remember, trading is very difficult if you don't already know that. And you really have to think like you're learning to become a doctor or lawyer, which means it's going to take a certain amount of time, definitely a lot of education. Speaking about education, you should be getting your hands on more education every 2 or 3 months if you want to succeed at trading. Now when you buy from me, I do give support. After you buy from me, I will tell you more very important secrets to successfully trading the markets in a free Skype call. Now if you leave your name and email address, I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. Now of course, if you have any questions, well, all you got to do is get in contact with me, and it's quite easy to do. All you got to do is look right below this video. There will be a banner, little bit of write-up. Click on the word more. A window will pop up and you will see a lot more information along with my contact information. And you'll also see a link that will give us immediate connection through Skype. So then at that point I can answer your questions. Also, you'll see 4 different packages. Of course, I recommend you getting at least 3 of the packages. Now I have a special offer. If you buy 2, I'll give you 1 of the other packages for free. So it's just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.